Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare healthy soup with oats and veggies. Please do like, share and subscribe the video for upcoming healthy recipes in our channel. First of all, take a vessel and add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Add chopped ginger. Add chopped green chilli. Add chopped garlic. Mix it. Now add finely chopped onions. Mix everything properly. Add finely chopped carrot. Add finely chopped French beans. Add sweet corn kernels. You can add your favorite veggies. Give it a good mix and cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt according to your taste. Add a pinch of black pepper powder. Mix everything properly. Now add 2.5 glasses of water. After adding water, mix everything properly and cover with lid. Meanwhile, take a pan and add half cup of rolled oats. Slowly roast oats on low flame. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to roast the oats. After roasting, you have to coarsely grind the oats in a mixer jar. Now open the lid. Mix it. Now add roasted oats powder into the boiling soup. Continuously mix it and make sure there are no lumps in it. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Mix everything properly. You can add finely chopped coriander leaves. It is almost ready. Squeeze lemon juice. Mix everything properly and have it. This soup is very beneficial for weight loss. Thank you so much for watching.